Yes, a low coolant level can indeed cause a rough idle. When your engine's coolant level is low, it can't effectively regulate the engine's temperature. This can cause the engine to overheat or experience significant temperature fluctuations, which in turn can affect the combustion process. Engines are designed to operate within a specific temperature range. If the coolant is low and the engine gets too hot, it throws off the precise conditions needed for smooth combustion. This can lead to poor fuel mixing, misfires, and ultimately, a rough idle. Furthermore, low coolant can cause air pockets to form in the cooling system. These air pockets can disrupt the flow of coolant through the engine, possibly causing sensors to read incorrect temps and send faulty data to the engine control unit. When this happens, the ECU may struggle to adjust the air-fuel mixture properly, exacerbating the rough idle. So, if you're noticing a rough idle, it's definitely worth popping the hood and checking your coolant level. Just make sure the engine is cool before you do so. You don't want to open a hot radiator cap and get burned. Other factors could cause a rough idle too, like dirty fuel injectors, a faulty oxygen sensor, or vacuum leaks. But if your coolant is low, topping it off could be a simple fix. If you live in a place with distinct seasons like Portland, Oregon, it's a good idea to regularly check your coolant level, especially before summer and winter. Consistent maintenance can help you avoid these little headaches. Stay mindful of your car's health, and it'll serve you well.